welcome to the physics class, and today's derivation is vehicle on a level circular road, right? So this is a vehicle and this is a circular road, right? So let us suppose that this vehicle which is on this circular road having the weight mg, right? And it is moving on this level circular road, right? And the weight of the vehicle that is mg is acting vertically downwards, right? And obviously, like as per the Newton's third law, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So these are the two reactions for R1 and R2 are the forces of the normal reaction of the road on the vehicles, because if this have a two tires, so these are the two normal frictions, right? And this R1 and R2 are the two normal reactions. They are acting vertically upwards, while as the mg, that's the weight of the vehicle, is acting vertically downwards, right? So we can say that, so these two are is balanced by this weight. So R1 plus R2 is equal to mg. Am I clear? Right? So let's start the derivation. So before we start, right, we have to assume some conventions, right? This is what I say and I wrote down in that language only. So before I start the derivation, we have to assume some conventions. What do you mean by the mu? Mu means coefficient of friction between tires and road, right? Coefficient of friction between tires and road. Okay. And F1 and F2 are what? These are the forces of friction between the tire and road. F1 और ये क्या है? Forces of friction है जो किस में है? Between tire and roads, right? And obviously this vehicle is moving on a circular road. So which type of force is acting on this? Centripetal force is acting on this, right? The centripetal force is mv square upon r. This is centripetal force. Am I clear? Right. So centripetal force is provided by the force of friction. So we can say that the centripetal force either equivalent to the total force of friction or less than or equal to the total force of friction, right? So mv square upon r, force of friction क्या है बच्चे आपके पास? F1 plus F2, right? ये force of friction है, ठीक है? So ये है क्या आपके पास? साइड पर लिख देती हूँ centripetal force, so that आपको भूलेगा नहीं, is less than or equal to total force of friction, ठीक है? And we know what we know, as I told you in the last derivation also, that F equals to mu r, right? So in case of F1 equal to mu r1. मैम mu की जगह आपने mu1 क्यों नहीं लिखा? Because mu is a constant, right? In F2 equals to mu r2. Put both these into this equation. So what we get? mv square upon r equals to what we have? Mu r1 plus r2. ठीक है, ये ऐसे रहेगा. But r1 plus r2 is balanced by the weight mg. So mv square upon r mu mg, right? So mm cancel. So it is written like this. Right? So this much is the maximum velocity with a vehicle can go around a level circular road without skidding, right? So this is a derivation of vehicle on a level circular road, right? So thank you.